All right, we are planting some fun things today, and today are herbs. So I've got over here in this pot some awesome pink dandelion. I'm really excited about that. All the dandelion parts are edible and medicinal, so I'm really excited to use them. So I lightly moistened the dirt, and then I sprinkled the tiny, tiny seeds on top, and I'm just patting everything in to just kind of give it secure, kind of tuck itself in so it can start to sprout in the next week or two. Same with the chamomile. I did that over here. Both of these are actually germinated by using light. So they are in my grow room right here that I have with the broccoli that have sprouted with underneath the LED light right now. So they are going to get that light to tell them to go ahead and wake up. Some herbs need to be cold stratified, which is with this. I've done these already in this tray here. So these are actually just seeds that I put in on 313, as you can tell. Some of them are on 220, and you just sprinkle them on a dampened dampened paper towel, and I put them in a plastic bag. Then I put them in the refrigerator. So some of them you'll notice that they need to be cold stratified. So they just need a couple weeks in the refrigerator in the wet in the plastic bag, and then you just it kind of mimics like spring with the frost and thaw. So I did parsley, lavender, stinging nettles, and some skullcaps. So those are the ones that I brought out here, and I didn't quite use all the seeds, so I'm going to go put them back in the fridge, and I'll probably direct sow them in the ground when the soil gets warmer and see what happens, see which ones take off better. Then I have over here some holy basil, which is tulsi. This is one of my favorite things. It's so good for you. You can see how tiny, tiny the seeds are. So that's why with most herb seeds or whatever's super tiny, you just basically put them on top. It's called surface sowing, and then you just kind of pack it in. And then we have ashwagandha over here, which I'm excited about this year. So we're going to go ahead and let those sprout. Those do not need sunlight to germinate. And then we have over here, we got our toothache plant. Actually, I got a bunch of seeds in there. Toothache plant is really cool. And then these other ones are these feverfew as well. So all medicinal herbs kind of going in today, and see what I can get to get sprouted so that I can get them out into my beautiful herb garden that I've been working on.